By the way, do you understand pidgin English? Yes! Okay, now what do we use this? Okay, carry your paper. Verb for my
People of this world are too much. Have you heard things of these people outrageous? Have you heard much times outrageous? Multiply it, multiply it. Much times outrageous, multiply it, multiply it. The answer you get is what makes the poor man weep. The answer you get is what makes leaders do whatever they please. The answer you get is what makes young boys and girls join bad company. The answer you get is what makes innocent man rot inside the jail. Little low, and they decline him bail. Little low, oh my. Everybody come on join pandemonium to solve mathematics that destroys all our continent. Oh, white guys said it's board mass we'll be using to solve mathematics to follow pandemonium. Come on, pick up a pen.